No, it's good afternoon
again.
Afternoon again. By the time we get going, as usual. Dad,
we have busy lives.
Dad, can I borrow your strimmer? Can you knit your strimmer down so I can do my lawn for Easter? Yes.
I'd just like to point out my kids do not talk like that, do they?
They do a bit.
They don't.
Harry does.
No, they don't.
Anyway, so welcome to another Marauding Metalheads video and another instructional video, isn't
it?
Well,
and a noisy one this time.
It's not an instructional video, actually, because we don't know what we're doing.
Because we didn't have sound on the last one.
Oh, yeah.
We did it all with the windows, and as you're probably aware by now, we didn't test the microphones and they weren't on. So it is going to be the quietest YouTube video that you will ever see and the quietest you will ever hear me.
So yesterday we fitted the other window and we recorded the whole lot, did the whole instructional thing. And it turns out that we haven't paired the new microphones. So everything's mute. So I will be launching that video and it'll probably be on tomorrow, which is Sunday, Easter Sunday, at 8 o'clock as usual. But it'll be on voiceover. So anyway, today, the exterior is now officially done. We've got the other window in.
For now, we've still got windows to put in.
So we've got the other window in, guys. You see that, yeah? So the windows are in. We've got another small window to go at the back on the side, but that's still not here. So hopefully we can get that. Oh, we're still arguing about whether we want back windows. I don't, she does.
I do.
That's an argument that'll run forever.
It won't, because we'll just have them.
Anyway, so yesterday we also touched up all the crappy bits of paint on the van. Apparently Citroen Relays have got this habit, especially in white, of flaky paint. So we cut them back, sanded them back.
Yeah, just as a temporary measure. There's no way it's going to last very long.
But it looks
But it looks better, and Herman looks beautiful.
We give it a good clean and a polish on the outside as well. Lindsay...
I didn't clean the van. To be fair, the paintwork is still pretty minging. But I don't know whether you saw with the trim, we've actually cleaned up all the trim and restored it back to a beautiful black.
Yeah, using linseed oil.
Yes.
So if you haven't seen that YouTube short, I'll stick it there, the link, or there, or there, or there.
It'll be somewhere.
It'll be somewhere. So check that out. It really does work. It's really effective. Just boiled linseed oil.
No, it's raw linseed
oil on a cloth, and brings
it's very therapeutic.
It's amazing.
To do.
So anyway, guys, I digress. Today we're going to be fitting the floor insulation and doing the sound deadening. So that involves basically taking the floorboards up. We're going to actually keep the existing floorboards because there's literally nothing wrong with them. They look a bit manky, but we're going to have the flooring over the top of it. So, but we're going to do the insulation on the floor slightly different to the normal, let's say, in that we're going to use a product called Eco-quilt. Rather than the traditional way of doing it, it's 2x1 battening on the floor and then 25mm Kingspan or Celotex in between, and then obviously putting the floorboards back on top. Now, because of my height, I'm 6'2" and a bit. We need as low as possible. We want to keep as much height in the van as possible. So we came across a product called Eco-quilt, and it is so thin. And what I'll do, I'll spin you around. If you should let me show them, and I'll show you what we mean.
Go on.
So this product is called Eco-quilt, and you can see it's a multi-layered insulation. So there's a foil, insulation, foil, whatever that is. Whatever that is and whatever that is. So it's 5-layer insulation. And believe it or not, guys, this here, look how thin it is. So let's watch. Apparently it's 5mm. Is equivalent to, this is 25mm Kingspan, but this is equivalent to 50mm of Kingspan or Celotex. So it's really, really good. And obviously the benefits of having this on the floor, we can literally lay this on the floor, foil tape, come up the sides a little bit with it, and then put the floorboards back on top. And we've not lost really any height. And as you can see, I need all the height I can get. We're already going to come down, obviously, because we are going to have to batten the roof and put Celotex in here. So we just wanted to keep as much height in the van as possible. So yeah, we'll be doing that today, but it means obviously we've got to take up all this floor. And then what we'll do, once the floor's up, we're going to give it all a really good clean, good hoovering out, clean it. Any rust spots we're going to treat with Hammerite. And then we'll start the installation. So, shall we do it?
Yeah.
Do it. Wow. So, done. Well, it's done apart from the fact that we put the floor back down. My self-tapping screws are too long. To be fair, I said there would be, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
So, yeah, the floor's back down. We've insulated the floor. We've taped it. We've bunged a load of insulation in the little gaps. And so we've got quite a lot done today, really. Although, actually, it doesn't look like a lot, does it?
It doesn't. And it's absolutely knackering. I did not know this would be so tiring.
Yeah, and putting that mat down on the floor.
Awful. I had to clean the whole bottom and it was minging, and I had to clean the whole van, and it's like tiring work.
But we were surprised, actually, when we took the floor up. It was actually in really good condition, weren't it?
Yes, so there was no need to replace that.
I think there was literally 2, maybe 3 bits where we had to put some Amorite on. But the floor's mint, and the same with the sides. You can see actual sides. They're mint, just around. So it's really clean. It's really clean, no rust.
Well, it is now. I've cleaned it.
Yeah, you can see we've got the floor down. As you can see, the floor isn't in the best condition, this wood, but it's solid and there's no holes in it or anything like that. So
it's fine to put a floor on top of.
we're only going to put a floor on top anyway. So yeah, it's getting there, guys and everyone. It's getting there, isn't it, babe?
Yeah, we've got a warm floor.
yeah, we've got a warm floor now.
A warm bottom half of the van.
Yeah.
So yeah,
so
good.
That's down. So the next stage now, well, it's Easter Sunday tomorrow, so I'm going to be doing nothing tomorrow.
Nothing tomorrow.
And then the rain.
My babies.
It's forecast a bit of a crap day Monday, so it'll be next weekend now before we crack on again, and that'll be
sound deadening.
Sound deadening.
Rest of the insulation.
No, first fix wiring. We've got to get the wiring and the cable through.
That's a job for you. You can do that.
Yeah, I don't mind. That's easy job. So we'll get that in, but you've got to decide where you want all your sockets, etc.
That's easy. I know where they are.
So yeah, that'll be next weekend's job. But yeah, sound deadening.
Yes.
Sound deadening, wiring, insulation. Once that's in, we're really on the move then, won't we?
Yes.
So
yes.
But yeah, we'll see what sort of video we can make out of that. Oh, I do apologise, by the way, if you see my arse a lot in this video.
Or mine.
I'm wearing these knackered old bottoms I've had for years, and they're a bit big, so my arse keeps sticking out of them. So I do apologise.
And it's quite popular on TikTok, though.
Is it?
Apparently so. You had a lot of videos on TikTok.
Oh, I did actually, yeah.
With you cleaning the roof of the van.
Talking to TikTok, if you don't already know, we've got a TikTok account now. So yeah, go across and follow us or whatever it is on TikTok.
I don't know.
Beyond me, all this malarkey. The YouTube channel, we're up to nearly 50 subscribers, which isn't a lot. I know it's not a lot, but considering the channel,
we're very happy with that.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
That's amazing.
3 weeks in, it's amazing, really.
So good.
So I'd like to thank every single one of you who have subscribed.
Yes, thank you so much. It means so much. Spread
the word for us. So the more we can get the YouTube channel going, the more it's going to raise the profile of the charity, the more money we're going to raise. So, but yeah, so brilliant. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Keep it heavy.
Bye.
Keep it rocking. Keep it real. Laters.